We talk about this, can't forget. I'm seeing you in everywhere, in everywhere.
Okay guys, so hey, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do this look and show you guys how I created it. Also don't remember the palette that I used because I bought it when I was in school for esthetician. I'm gonna look for it and see if I can find the name of it, but yeah, it's like a palette, like a makeup artist palette that has like different shades and colors, but I'll figure that out for you guys and put it down below in the description. And so yeah guys, so I just used a white milk pencil just to kind of set my lids because I feel like this really makes the colors stand out and it looks beautiful and nice, and I want the shadows to look, I mean, this palette, the shadows are a little bit powdery, so you have to be very careful. So I'm like basically patting instead of like swiping the color and blending it. I'm just basically patting into the lid, and I'm just starting with this nice bright like yellow. It's so pretty. I love these colors. Like, I swear guys, when I do colors, I'm like, oh god, like, is it gonna blend nicely, is it not gonna blend nicely? But I feel like when you use a lot of colors, if you take your time and blend it, it will come out really pretty. And now I am just going to add this nice orange into the crease and really build it up, blend it out, and just, you know, like I said, I'm starting off just by patting it, because I feel like this technique is a little bit better, especially because I'm telling you guys they're powdery. They're creamy but very powdery. So yeah, just basically using this little small pencil brush. I don't even know the name of it because I've had it for such a long time. Like, it doesn't even have a name. I got it like in a little gift years ago guys, and the brush is still going strong. So now I just decided to go in with a little smaller brush just to kind of really intensify that orange, because I really want the colors to be vibrant and for you to really notice them. So yeah, I'm just gonna blend away guys. And then now I'm just grabbing this is like a Sonia Kashuk brush, and also I think it's like a pencil brush, and as well I'm just going to add a nice green over that. I'm lifting my lids a little, my brows a little bit, just to kind of give me that little lift so I can know where I want to place the color, because I don't want it to be too high, but I don't want it to be too low. So yeah, just going back and forth. This one I had a little bit trouble with, but I just kept going at it, packing it, blending it, packing it, blending it, just really taking your time. Like, I feel like when you have colors like this, when you take your time guys, it comes out so much nicer and so much prettier than just rushing it because you want the colors to be vibrant. Just, it's a process, you know. Pack it, blend it, pack it, blend it. And now I'm blending it back and forth because I already have packed on the color, already got the intensity that I want it to be. And I look back to kind of check my work and see that everything is nice and seamless. And I'm see how you keep seeing me looking on the other side of my eye as well to make sure that everything is perfect. So yeah guys, now I'm just adding a little bit of that orange because when you blend, you know, some of the shades kind of like go away, so you just want to intensify that again. So yeah guys, here I'm just blending all this together, and I kind of did a little bit like let that green kind of come out a little bit like in a V shape, just to kind of make my eyes look really nice and open and really pretty. So here I'm just going, you're going to see me going just back and forth, checking my work and making sure that everything is blended guys. Okay guys, so now you see me going in with this e.l.f. Crease brush, and this one I'm using just to kind of really blend everything together to look nice and seamless. And here I'm just adding more of those colors. I really want the colors to be vibrant and really be noticeable. So always do your check and check your eyes and pack the color in. So that's what I'm just doing right now, just packing some more of that yellow and just really making it stand out, which I really love. This look is so nice. Like, at first I was not looking to make this look, I was going for like a different type of look, but me, when I play with colors, it just does not come out the way I expected it to, but it actually comes out even better. So because I tend to think too much and, you know, not just go for it. So here I'm just using my Tarte Man Eater mascara, and here I'm doing the same process. I'm putting that yellow in the inner corner because later on I'm going to put another color that's a little bit like shimmery gold and yellow. I'm going to put in the inner corner. So now I'm just going to do the same process that I did on the eyes, on the lids guys, the same exact process. I'm just putting glue on my lashes, and I'm using my favorite lashes. They're my Eileen lashes. I get these at Winn-Dixie for like $1.62, but you can also find them at Walmart. And I'm just blowing a little bit. I've already had them sitting out with the glue. So always make sure to wait for the glue to get tacky before you apply them onto your eyes, because you don't want them to fall or keep moving or anything like that. So I kind of wait for it to be tacky, so when I put it on the lid, on the eyelashes, it actually adheres to it really quickly. Sorry guys, these words are difficult for me to say. But yeah, so I applied those. It looks so pretty, makes the eye look really, really nice and beautiful, but not so dramatic or anything like that, very subtle. And I'm just adding more mascara to kind of match nicely with my real lashes, and also putting lashes on my lower lashes, and just basically, yes, going back and forth, back and forth. You already know the deal, guys. So now I decided to do a wing. Here I'm singing like I'm crazy because I was listening to worship music. So yeah, guys, sorry. So yeah, now I'm just using this liquid liner um, to basically do a wing, but not so dramatic, but nice wing, because I feel like I just wanted to do a wing on this look. I think it would look really, really, really nice. So yeah, I love this Wet n Wild liquid liner, 24-hour waterproof, because it is so easy to glide on the eyes, guys. I found this one at Five and Below for like $5, but it made me apply my liner so much easier and so much quicker. Like, I love it. It's so thin and nice. It's beautiful. So here I just added, as you can see, more of the yellow, and really to brighten the eye. And now I'm using my Milk white pencil, my NYX white jumbo pencil in milk, to really, really make my eyes pop. It's hard when I wear contacts because I feel like all the shadows just goes inside my contacts, and then my eyes get blurry, and I just hate it. It's so annoying. Here I'm just adding a little bit more mascara because I really want those lashes to really, really pop out in the bottom of my lower lashes. And I'm just adding a little bit more blush because it went away, you know, throughout the makeup, and I'm just blending everything together. I love this look, guys. It came out so pretty. Here I am just setting my skin, which I love doing this throughout my makeup. And then I'm wearing some highlight. Really, really love this. And I'm just using like a liquid nude lip. And I'm putting gloss. I will also be putting gloss over it because I don't know, I'm into this little glossy, having my eyes gloss and shimmery and shiny. So yeah. So yeah, guys, and then I spray my face once again, as you can see. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on all my socials. And thank you for so much love that you guys have shown on my videos. So yeah, guys, God bless.
Sorry for being